Ma, video ka. Ay.
Baka tagal na ng Daniel. Saan ba sila kumain? Saan ba sila kumain? Susi. Ano yung video?
Cafe na may na may elevator. Dito lang yan sa Pampanga.
Wala man ang tao dito.
Meron. Wow. Mas maganda rito. Ah, may third floor pa sila. Floor closed. Diyan na lang. Antayin mo ako. O-order ka na muna. Parang sa Lala.
Second floor. Story opening.
Ang bongga. Hindi pa. Ha? This is the Clark Parade Ground. Cute.
dyan sa yung Han. Yung Han Restaurant Hotel. Dyan yung ano, yung canyon.
Ah, dito ba?
Hmm. Ano, Han Casino. Dito tayo sa Marriott eh. Ito yung Ibidos na. Ay, initang kain na ni Mos in mall na, yung Philippine Best Mall. Aliyah kaya rin eh. She's on the ring now, nandito yung isang cafe eh na ano ba?
Ginawa mo restaurant yung mga ano yun dyan. Sinta.
Siyempre, pinarenta na nila.
Yung mga upuan sila ngayon. Dami pala nagtitinda dito.
Yeah, bazaar. Mama.
Naiwan ko to. Parang hindi masyado mabigat.
Oo nga, no? Yung mga pinangin. Na? Ngunit para lang sa'yo ayaw naman. Where have you been?
Can we buy bubbles?
Bubbles?
Tata, we
Oh.
want bubbles. Me and Dada want bubbles.
Aba naman.
Wala silang hiya.
Bakit?
Wala silang hiya. Naglalaro yung kanon.
Ha?
Ng bola. Hiniram nila.
Tata, we want bubbles.
Gusto mong lakad-lakad?
At yan yan, you don't make big things. Yeah.
Akin na. I'll make a bigger bubble.
And then me and Dada will catch it.
Okay.
Tata! Tata! Tata!
Woo!
Don't like me to follow it first.
Oh, ito pa.
I can't. And go. Tita, give me. Give me the bubble machine.
Hirap lang may
The bubble machine.
sa kalagay sa
Be careful, matapon.
Let's sing it. Got it. Want more big bubble? Tita, can you close it? Can you close it?
Okay.
Oh wait, I'll play with you.
Dada.
Stop laughing and join.
Galingan nyo yan. Gandahan nyo yung trabaho nyo, ha?
I thought you were gonna think. You work.
I'm painting. I'm doing my painting too. Here, oh.
Where's it?
Here, oh.
You're not
I'm almost finished.
You're not even doing it. You're sampling yourself.
Busy sila.
Hey,
Hindi sila nakapag...
Stop laughing.
Ito na yung laro nila.
Stop laughing. I will pull you to the I'm gonna buy a tire and put
Daming nagpipiknik
I will
kapag
put you to the earth.
weekend.
I'm gonna put Tata in the market.
Busy ka rin pa, no?
With the same brush.
Mabili mo ako tangulo, ma.
Eh?
Yung tangulo, yung ano, prutas na may ano, yung parang sa Baguio. Yung prutas na naka-cover ng sugar. Oh.
Naka-stick?
Oo.
Oh, meron din. Dapat 20.
I have to be careful. That's my sharp bag. My mommy will.
Ikaw bumili para pagkain mo.
Mommy love you.
Ano
Tata.
naglalaro ng ano?
Tata.
Yeah, dedicated ka, baby, no, sa painting mo. Sige. Yeah, really?
Oh my God.
You like it?
I
You like what
that-
you're doing?
I like everything that is here. It's so fun.
Bad ayaw
Mhm.
yung ano?
Yeah, it's so fun. I'm already done. I'm just so wet.
What? What did you say?
Thank you.
What did you say?
Nakakita siya ng ano.
What did you say, Dada? Ah, sabi?
Thank you, Tata.
Thank you, Tata. Why? Why?
I like this.
You like this?
Tata, there's a look behind you.
What did you say to Daddy?
So make you all make my day.
We all make your day.
You on your back.
Yeah, that's Christmas tree.
Ah,
You thank Daddy because he
select
brought
my
you
day.
here?
Select my day.
Daddy makes your day?
That, and that day.
Yan yan. I'm taking videos. Sarap ng tulog ni Mama. Yan yan. Not there! Yan yan! Over here!
There, there. Get inside, go. No.
Yan yan! Yan yan!
Here. There.
It's okay. It's okay, baby. That will be quick. That will be quick. Go. Sabi mo gusto mo dito. Ha? Oh, be careful, you're wearing heels. Can you do it? Go! Yan yan, go! It's your turn! I cannot flash like it. Oh, go! Sige, go, go! Here, here! Yan, yan, here! Go na! Go na, go! Dali, I'll wait for you. Your feet first, baby, not head. Your feet first. Where are you? Where are you? Wait. Good job! Yay! You did it! Good job! Oy! Ganda ng Swiss Hotel eh, no? Kaya mo niya loob na lo, kaya ka.
Okay.
Kanya. Loob na kanya. Kaya ba't luwal ka rin? Ilabya sa rin ngaliwan driver, de balo.
Kailan yan talagang dala?
Ali, regaliwa, waninaya lang stoplight. Kagaya na ito, may ninaya yung stoplight.
Right, must turn right na yun lagi.